Hello everyone, I am Balaji Rao. Welcome to BR Maths class. In this class, we are going to learn complete circles topic as per NCERT. In conic section chapter, mainly 4 topics are there: circle, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola. In this video, we are going to learn about circles, the definition of circle, and the theory part related to circles, and all exercise number 10.1 problems. This circles topic is easy or difficult? Actually, it is easy. Little bit of basics of circles, if you understand in the beginning, you can do these problems very easily. We have our own Android app, BR Maths class. If you want to support our channel, this full chapter with handwritten notes available in our app for a very nominal price of rupees 99. Creating one-shot videos take so much of time. Please drop a like for this video. That gives more energy to create many one-shot videos like this. Definition of circle. What is circle? You cannot say that circle is a round figure. Yes, of course, circle is a round figure. But the point is, what is the definition of circle? What way we will define a circle mathematically? Here you observe there is a fixed point in the center. You see here one fixed point is there. You take one fixed point. Now you take all the points in a plane. Plane means what? It's a flat surface. That means anywhere on the board here, right? Points in a plane such that which are equidistant from this fixed point. Suppose I'll take one point here. I suppose this distance is 4 units, right? Now you take one more point in this plane such that which is equidistant. That means another point which is a 4 units distance. Suppose if I take a point here, same distance, try to understand 4 units. 4 units or 5 units, whatever it is, but same distance. Now you take one more point such that its distance from fixed point is again 4 units. You see here, if we take like this, if we take all such points, here points are here, you take points like that. If we join them, what happens? If we join them, you will get circle. What is the definition of circle? Set of all points in a plane which are equidistant from fixed point. Suppose this point is there here. This is, you suppose this is 5 units. Suppose if I take one more point here, this is not 5 units. We can easily understand that. You need to take points in such a way that which are equidistant from fixed point. This length, this length, this length. You see, whatever points are there here, they are all equidistant from this fixed point, right? So what is the definition of circle? The definition of circle is like this: set of all points in a plane which are equidistant from fixed point is called circle. First thing, you take one fixed point. Now you take all the points which are equidistant from this fixed point and then join all such points, right? For example, if this is the fixed point, you can take points like this also which are equidistant. If we join all these points, you will get circle. I hope you are understanding. Now, two things you need to know. This fixed point is there, I'll name it as C. This fixed point C is called center of the circle. Okay. Next one is radius. What is radius? The distance from center to any point on the circle. This length is there, this length is called radius. Generally, we denote it by smaller, right? Distance from center to any point, right? This is also radius, which is of same length, right? What is this? Distance from center to any point on the circle is called radius. So you learn total 3 things. One is the definition of circle. What is center of a circle? In the definition, we will take fixed point. That fixed point is called center of the circle. What is radius of the circle? The distance from center to any point on the circle is called radius. You see here, same thing I written. Fixed point is called center of the circle. Distance from center to any point on the circle is called radius. You learned definition of circle. What is center? What is radius? Now we will learn about equation of a circle. See, in this circles, as per NCERT textbook, equation of the circle is the most important thing. Equation, actually equation means algebra. Linear equation, quadratic equation, cubic equation, like that. Equation means algebra. Circle means geometrical figure. How we relate a geometrical figure to the algebra, that is all about equation of a circle, right? Straight lines chapter you learn. In straight lines chapter we will say that 2x plus 3y plus 5 equal to 0 is the equation of a straight line, because this line equation is of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. What is this ax plus by plus c equal to 0? It is the equation of a straight line. Actually it represents a straight line, but we written in algebraic form. Try to understand. In the same way, for circle also equation will be there. What is equation of a circle? This is very important in class 11th NCERT circles topic. Okay, right. First thing, actually what we are doing, we are deriving equation of a circle. To derive the equation of a circle, we need center and radius. You observe here, I considered a circle whose center is h comma k. Look here, center h comma k is the center and r is radius of this respective circle. What I am trying now, I am deriving equation of a circle. Okay. Now on this circle, how many points will be there? On this circle, infinitely many points will be there. I'll take one point and I taken p of x comma y is any point on the circle. Suppose you mark here, I'll take this as point P. Okay, what is the distance from center to point P? What is this distance? This distance is radius. I taken R is the radius of the circle. So what is CP? CP equal to R. From the figure, we can easily understand that the CP equal to R. CP means what? Distance from C to point P. Now here we know point P and we know the point C also, center. C is h comma k, P is x comma y. Now I'll take this C as x1 y1, this P as x2 y2. CP distance formula is what? Root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Right? Apply that formula, what you will get? Root over x2 minus x1, that means x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r. Now here the square root is there, na? So to avoid this square root, I'll square this equation on both sides. I'm writing here squaring on both sides. If I square on both sides, this left side root will get cancelled and right side you will get r square. You see here x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. What is this? This is the equation of the circle. This is most important one. While doing exercise problems, we use this formula very frequently. See, whenever they're asked to find equation of a circle, most of the time we use this formula only. What is this? What is this? This is equation of a circle. For this circle, what is center? Center is h comma k. What is radius? R. Here r is there, na? R is the radius. I hope you are understanding, right? So what I mark here, that is most important. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square is the equation of a circle whose center is h comma k, radius is r. Now if I expand this, you see here, I'll get one x square term, one h square term, one x term. Here this h square term is constant. If I expand this, I'll get one y square term, k square term, one y term. Here k square term is constant and r square is also constant, right? So when you expand this, what happens? You will get one x square term. I'll write here. When you expand this, you will get one x square term, one y square term, one x term, one y term, one constant term, right? So this is called general form of the circle. This is what we are going to discuss now. Actually, what is this? This is the main one, right? When I simplify this, you will get an expression like this, right? So this x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 is called general form of a circle. For example, general form of a straight line. In straight line chapter, if anyone asks what is the general form of a straight line, you will say that ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is the general form of a straight line. Like that, what is the general form of a circle? General form of a circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Right. Now we'll discuss about general form of a circle. As I said, one x square term, one y square term, one x term, one y term, one constant term will be there in general form of a circle. This equation represents a circle. I am saying that this is the general form of a circle. This equation represents a circle. My question is, if this equation represents a circle, what is its center? What is its radius? We cannot say directly like this from this. Actually, if you know like this, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. If the equation is of this form, we can say that for this circle, center is h comma k, radius is r, right? That is what we just now we learned, right? So for this circle is there, na? This circle I'll write into this form, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square form, so that I can easily say what is center of this circle, right? Now what the point is, I'll write this equation in the form of x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. To write into that form, first I'll write like this, x square term and this x term plus 2gx. Now observe carefully, here I'll add g square and after equal also I'll add g square. So what happened? This g square will get cancelled, right? Now what I written, x square and this 2gx, these two terms I written. Now y square and 2fy, these two terms I'll write plus y square plus 2fy plus f square. Here you observe I added f square. Right hand side also I'll write f square. Now you can see this g square, f square will get cancelled. What you will get, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy. This c is remaining. That I'll write here. Please try to understand. I am trying to write this equation in the form of x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. To write into this form, here I added g square and here I subtracted g square. And here I added f square, that will get cancelled here, right? So now you observe this. What is this? This is x plus g whole square, right? Whatever is there here, that can be written as x plus g whole square plus. Now you observe whatever is there here, that can be written as y plus f whole square. Okay. Now what I'll do, this c is there, na? I'll take it to the right hand side part. So it will be like this, g square plus f square minus c. Actually, I am trying to write this in the form of x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. See, left hand side part is okay of same type. Now right hand side part, you observe here square is there, na? I want to write this expression in the form of square. Okay. So for that, what I'll do, this g square plus f square minus c is there, na? That I'll write like this, root whole square. Then what happened? The square root and 2 will get cancelled. Again, you will get g square plus f square minus c only. Why I written like this? Because I want r square, this right hand side part. Okay. Now finally, this plus g is there. Na? This plus g we can write like this, minus of minus g. You may ask why to write like this? Because I want to write this equation in the form of x minus h whole square. Here minus is there. That's why I written minus here, plus y minus of minus f whole square equal to r square. R square means what you will get g root over g square plus f square minus c whole square. Now I can compare this equation with x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. For this circle, what is center? Center is h comma k. Now for this, what is center? For this center is minus g comma minus f. That means here this equation is there in a general form, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. For this, what is the center? For this center is minus g comma minus f. For this circle, what is radius? Observe, compare. Radius is root over, see, radius is root over g square plus f square minus c, right? So what I can write now? I can write center. Center is what? Center is minus g comma minus f. What about radius? Radius r is root over g square plus f square minus c. So whenever we see general form of a circle equation, from that circle equation we can find center and radius. For that, what are the formulas? minus g minus f, radius is root over g square plus f square minus, right? So this is the theory part related to circle as per NCERT textbook for class 11th, 10th chapter. C. Now we'll do exercise number 10.1 problems. You see, in this class we'll do these 9 problems. You observe from question number 1 to 5 what they are asking. They are asking find the equation of a circle. We need to find equation of a circle. For that, you observe especially first 5 questions, they given center radius. When center and radius given, how to find the circle equation? See here, when h comma k is the center or is the radius, when we know center and radius, at that time to calculate equation of circle, this is the formula. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. This is the equation of a circle formula when they given center and radius. Let's see the solution of first question. They given center and radius, we need to find equation of a circle. You see, in this question, center is given as 0, 2, radius is given as 2. When they give center and radius, to calculate equation of circle, one and only one formula is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. This is the equation of a circle when they give center h comma k, radius r. Here center is 0, 2, radius is 2, right? So in place of h comma k, you write 0, 2. That means in place of h you write 0, in place of k you write 2, and radius r equal to 2. Now in this, in place of h I'll write 0, x minus 0 whole square plus y minus k. This is h comma k is 2, y minus 2 whole square equal to r square. R is they given as 2 square. Now you simplify this. X minus 0 is x. This is x square plus, now you expand this, y minus 2 whole square. Expand, what you will get? Y square plus 2 square is 4 minus 2ab. 2 into y into 2, that is 4y equal to 2 square is 4. Now you can observe this left side, right side, 4 will get cancelled. So what you got here? X square plus y square minus 4y equal to 0. Therefore, required equation of a circle is x square plus y square minus 4y equal to 0. I hope you understand this. Now you see this question number 2, they given center and radius. You see they given center is minus 2, 3, radius is 4. When they give center and radius, to calculate equation of circle, one and only one formula. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square, right? In this, in place of h you write minus 2, in place of k you write 3. Okay, so what you will get? X minus h is minus 2 whole square plus y minus k, in place of k you write 3, y minus 3 whole square equal to r is 4 square. Now you observe here, this minus of minus will become plus. This is x plus 2 whole square. You expand this x plus 2 whole square, x plus 2 whole square, x square plus 4 plus 4x plus, now you expand this y minus 3 whole square, y square plus 9 minus 6y equal to 4 square is 16. Now if you simplify this, what you will get? X square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y, and you see here 4 plus 9, 4 plus 9 is 13. You take this 16 to left hand side, then what it will become? 13 minus 16 equal to 0, so that is minus 3. So if we simplify this, you will get like this. Therefore, finally, required equation of a circle is x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y minus 3 equal to 0. I hope you are understanding. See this third problem, center is given like this, radius is 1 by 2. We need to find equation of a circle. When they give center and radius, to find the equation of a circle, one and only formula is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. In this formula, in place of h you write 1 by 2, in place of k you write 1 by 4, in place of r you write 1 by 12. Then what you will get? You will get like this: x minus 1 by 2 whole square plus y minus 1 by 4 whole square equal to r square, that is 1 by 12 whole square. Now you expand this, what you will get? You will get x square plus 1 by 4 minus 2ab, 2 into x into 1 by 2. 2 will get cancelled, this is minus x plus. Now you expand this, what you will get? Y square plus 1 by 16 minus 2 into y into 1 by 4, that is y by 2 minus y by 2 equal to 1 divided by 12 square is 144. Now we'll do little bit of simplification in the left hand side part. Okay, so first x square term, next y square term, next x term, next y term. Now here what constants are remaining left hand side? Plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 16. See, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 16, what you will get? LCM is 64. 4 in this 16, 16 in this 4, 20 divided by 64 you will get, right? 20 divided by 64. In this 4 table, 4 5s are 4 16s are. So what you will get? 5 by 16 you will get, plus 5 by 16 equal to 1 divided by 144. Now you take this 144 to the left hand side part and multiply this complete equation with 144. Then you will get like this: 144 x square plus 144 y square minus 144 x minus, you look here, 144 into y by 2, 2 in this 72 times. So minus 72y, minus 72y plus, when I multiply with the 144, what you will get? 144 into 5 by 16. This 16 in this how many times? 16 nines are 144. So here 9 5s are 45, right? 45 equal to, here actually what we did, we taken 144 to this side and I multiplied this whole thing. This side only 1 is remaining. You take that 1 also this side. 45 minus 1, that is 44. So if you simplify this equation, you will get like this. Now if you observe all these things, they are all multiple of 4. So you take 4 common, or else divide this complete equation with 4. You will get like this: 36 x square plus 36 y square. What I am doing, I am taking 4 common, right? If you take 4 common, 4 into 36 is 144. 36x minus, if you take 4 common here, 18 fours are 72, right? So 18y plus 11 fours are 44 equal to 0. So finally, this is the circle equation whose center is 1 by 2 comma 1 by 4 and whose radius is 1 by 12. I hope you understand this class. Now you see this question, they given center 1 comma 1 and radius is root 2. We need to find equation of a circle. When they give center and radius, to find the equation of a circle, we use this formula: x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. In place of h, you write 1. In place of k, also you write 1. Right? Substitute these values in the given equation. Substitute these values in this equation, you will get like this: x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square equal to root 2 whole square. Now you expand this, what you will get? X square plus 1 minus 2x. Similarly, you expand this, what you will get? Y square plus 1 minus 2y. Root 2 whole square is 2. Now simplify. First I'll write x square term, next I'll write y square term, next x term, next y term. Now you observe here, plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Here this 2 will get cancelled. So you will get like this: x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y equal to 0. Now you see this fifth question. They given center and radius. They are asking us to find equation of a circle. When they give center and radius, we use this formula to calculate equation of a circle. Now in place of h comma k, you substitute this point. In place of r, you write this. in this equation. Substitute given values in this equation. So x minus h. H is what actually? H is minus a. X minus of minus a whole square. Here minus of minus is what? Minus of minus will become plus. So this is x plus a whole square plus y minus k. K is what? K is minus b. Minus b, right? So what this will become? Minus of minus is plus now. Y plus b whole square equal to r square. What is r? Root over a square minus b square whole square. Now you expand this, what you will get? X square plus a square plus 2ax plus, now you expand this a plus b whole square formula, y square plus b square plus 2y equal to, now you expand this side, root and 2 will get cancelled, what you will get? You will get a square minus b square. Now you can observe this a square will get cancelled, right? So what you will get? You will get like this, x square plus y square plus x term 2ax plus, here it is 2by, right? Y term is 2by. Now you observe what are remaining here, plus b square is there, here minus b square is there. You take minus b square to this side, b square plus b square, that is plus 2b square equal to 0. I hope you understand. These are easy only actually. So in first 5 problems, when they give center and radius, how to find the circle equation, we learn. Now in this, from question number 6 to 9, find center and radius of the circles. They'll give circle equations, you need to find center and radius, right? See here, 6th question. This is question number 6. We need to find center and radius. To find center and radius, I'll compare this equation with this, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. I'll compare this equation with this to find center and radius. I know that for this, center is h comma k, radius is r. Okay. Now that x plus 5 is given, I'll write like this, plus 5 can be written like this, x plus 5 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equal to, that 36 is there, that 36 I'll write it as 6 square. What happened? I written this equation exactly into this form so that we can easily identify what is center, what is radius. For this, center is h comma k. So for this, what is the center? For this, center is minus 5 comma 3. What is radius? What is radius? Radius is 6. So they are asking us to find center and radius. For this circle, center is minus 5 comma 3, radius is 6. You see this 7th question, we need to find center and radius of this circle. By seeing this equation, what idea you are getting? This is general form. What is general form of a circle? I'll write here. General form of a circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This is general form of the circle. While learning theory, we learned that for this, center is what? Center is minus g comma minus f. What is radius formula? Radius formula is root over g square plus f square minus c. So here, to find center and radius from the general form of the circle, we use these formulas. Okay. Here, first I'll tell you the direct method. Next, I'll tell you the shortcut also. First, we'll find center and radius from the circle equation in regular method. Okay. First thing, x square coefficient, y square coefficient must be 1, right? Because in general form, x square coefficient, y square coefficient must be 1. If x square coefficient, y square coefficient is not 1, suppose this is 2x square, 2y square is there. I'll divide this complete equation with 2 and I'll make x square coefficient, y square coefficient 1 first, then only we will proceed rest of all, right? First thing, here x square coefficient 1, y square coefficient 1 is there. Okay. Now compare this equation with this. Okay. Here x coefficient is 2g, here x coefficient is minus 4. Compare the x coefficients, 2g is minus 4. Now compare the y coefficients. In general form, y coefficient is 2f. Here y coefficient is minus 8. That means 2f is minus 8. And C, what is C? C is minus 45. Okay, C is minus 45. First, get G value, F value, C value from the given general form. Here I got 2G value. I'll calculate G. What is G? Minus 4 divided by 2. That is minus 2. What is F? Minus 8 divided by 2. That is minus 4. What is C? C is minus 45. Now, G value, F value, C value. What is center formula? Center formula is minus G comma minus F. Okay. Minus G. G is minus 2. Na? Minus G means multiply with minus on both sides. Minus of minus will become plus 2. So minus G is what? Minus G is 2 comma minus F. What is F? F is minus 4. Minus F is what? Minus F means multiply with minus on both sides. Minus F is 4. Right? Okay. Now I got center. Radius. What is radius formula? Radius formula is root over G square plus F square minus C. What is G square? You know G here. What is G? G is minus 2. G square is 4. Okay. Plus F square. What is F square? Here F is minus 4. Na? F square is what? F square is 16 minus C. C is minus 45. Okay. So here this is 20 plus 45, that is 65. So radius is root 65. This is the general method to find center and radius. I said now we have a shortcut, right? What is the shortcut? Here I'll write the shortcut. Center. Look here, center. First, x square coefficient, y square coefficient must be 1. Make sure that is there or not. After that, you come to the x term. For x term, here what sign is there? Minus is there. If minus is there, then you write plus. Okay. If plus is there, then you write minus. Okay. Here, what is there? Minus is there. Then you write the opposite sign. Opposite sign means plus. And x coefficient is what here? 4. Don't take the sign. X coefficient is 4. Divide that number by 2. 4 divided by 2 is what? 4 divided by 2 is 2. Okay. I hope you are understanding. You see here, center we got 2 comma 4. Now 1 you got here. Right. Next, come to y coefficient. See the sign of y coefficient. Here what sign is there? Minus sign is there. You change it exactly opposite. That means plus. And divide this number by 2. 8 by 2 is what? 8 by 2 is 4. Right? So directly you can say that center is 2 comma 4. No need to follow this procedure. Directly you can write center and radius. Right? What way to do it? First you take x coefficient, change the sign of it. And what number will be there here? X coefficient, divide that number with 2. Same thing for this also. Now radius. Radius formula is what? Root over G square plus F square minus C. This is minus G actually. Minus G whole square is G square, right? That is G square plus F square minus C. C is what? C is minus 45. Minus of minus 45, that is plus 45. So if I simplify this, what I'll get? I'll get root 65. So center is 2 comma 4, radius is root 65. You try to understand, we got it directly. I hope you understand, right? Whichever method you like, you can follow that. See, this question number 8, I'll do in direct method. Instead of writing 2g equal to minus 8, g equal to minus 4, instead of that method, we'll do this directly. Okay. First, we'll write center. What is center? Center is, look here, x coefficient, what sign is there? Minus is there. You write opposite sign, plus. Now, here x coefficient, what number is there? 8 is there. You divide that number by 2. 8 divided by 2, that is 4. Okay. Now, y coefficient, you look here, what sign is there? Plus sign is there. You write the opposite sign, that means minus. Now, here y coefficient, what number is there here? 10. Divide that number by 2. 10 by 2 is what? 5. So, center is 4 comma minus 5 for this circle as it is in general form, and x square coefficient, y square coefficient is 1. For this circle, center is 4 comma minus 5. If you want to do it in regular method, compare this equation with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Here x coefficient is 2g. 2g equal to minus 8, g equal to minus 4. As you want to find center, center is minus g comma minus f now. Minus g is what? Plus 4. You see, the same thing we got. Now y coefficient is 2f. Here y coefficient is 10. So f is what? 10 divided by 2, 5. Now I want minus f. Minus f is minus 5. So center is minus g comma minus f. That is 4 comma minus 5. That we got directly. I hope you are understanding. Now radius. What is radius formula? Root over g square plus f square minus c. G square means this minus g whole square is, this is minus, center formula is what? For this circle, center formula minus g comma minus f. I hope you are understanding, right? So you just square this, you will get g square. You just square this, you will get f square, right? G square plus f square minus c. C is minus 12. Minus of minus plus 12. Okay, 16 plus 12. 16 plus 12 is 28. 28 plus 25 is 53. Okay, so for this circle, center is 4 comma minus 5, radius is root 53. This is very simple. Now you see this question number 19. Few interesting things are there in this. First point, x square coefficient is not 1. If this type of things will come, you make x square coefficient 1. How? Take 2 common or else divide this complete equation with 2, right? I'll divide this complete equation with 2. Then what I'll get? X square plus y square minus 1 by 2 into x equal to 0, right? Now x square coefficient, y square coefficient is 1 now. Now I'll write center directly. What is center? Center is x coefficient sign, here minus is there, I'll write plus. And here what number is there? 1 by 2 is there, 1 by 2. Divide that number with 2. 1 by 2 divided by 2 is what? That is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 comma y coefficient. Y term is not there. So what? That can be written as plus 0 into y you can write. Right? So what you will get here? Minus 0 divided by 2, that is 0. Minus 0 is same as 0. So however, if as y term is not present in this equation, directly you can write here 0. Center. I hope you understand. Now I need to find radius. Radius. What is the formula? Root over g square plus f square minus c. This is minus g. Square it, you will get g square 1 by 16 plus square this, you will get f square minus c. Here c is not given, constant is not there here. So that means this can be further written as 0 into y plus 0 equal to 0. So c value is what? C value is 0. Compare this equation with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. You will come to know that c value is 0, right? So what you will get here? This is a root over 1 by 16. This 16 can be written as 1 by 4 whole square. So that equal to 1 by 4. So for this circle, center is plus 1 by 4 comma 0. Radius is 1 by 4. I hope you understand these solutions. You see here, these 6 problems are remaining. In this class, we are going to do these 6 problems. You observe this question number 10 and question number 11. They are similar. In these two questions, what they are asking, find equation of the circle. You can observe. In both the questions, they are asking, find the equation of a circle. Which circle? The circle passing through 2 points, 4 comma 1, 6 comma 5, and whose center lies on this line equation. This question also similar. Circle passes through 2 points whose center lies on this line equation. First, we'll do this question number 10, 11. These are little lengthy. It takes time, but I'll do easiest way. Even though it is little lengthy, you can understand it very easily. Let's start the solution of question number 10. In this question, they are asking us to find equation of a circle. To understand this question, I drawn a diagram here. See, you need to find a circle equation. See, you suppose this is the circle equation you want to find. To find this circle equation, what information they given? This circle is passing through 2 points. Here you see, This is a rough diagram. Measurements are not exactly same. This is just rough diagram to understand the question. This circle is passing through 2 points. That means these 2 points lies on this circle. Okay. And they mention that whose center, that means which circle equation you want to find, that circle center lies on this line. See, this is the center of the circle. Center of this circle lies on line. That line equation also they given 4x plus y equal to 16. So this is the data given. You need to find this circle equation. In last class, we learned that general form of a circle equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. I want to find circle equation. I taken this is the required circle equation. In this, what are the unknown things? You see here, g value, f value, c value. These are the unknown things. So what I'll do, by using this given data, I'll find g value, f value, c value. And at the end, I'll substitute those three values in this equation so that I'll get the required equation of a circle. As the given circle 1 passes through these 2 points, what I'll do, I'll substitute these points in this equation. First, I'll substitute this 4, 1 in this circle equation. In this equation, in place of x, you write 4. In place of y, you write 1. To avoid unnecessary confusion, I want to write this step directly. Please observe carefully. I'll start from here, right? In place of x, I'll write 4. In place of x, if I write 4, what happens? 2 into 4, 8. This is 8g plus. Here, in place of y, I'll write 1, right? Then this term will become 2f plus. Here, c is there, that I'll write. So, I started substituting this point in this equation. I just written these things first. Now, x square plus y square, that is 16 plus 1. 16 plus 1 is 17. Plus 17 equal to 0. When I substitute 4, 1 in this circle equation, I got equation in terms of g, f, c. I hope you understand. Similarly, as the circle passes through this point, I'll substitute this 6, 5 in this equation. I'll get another equation in terms of g, f, c. Substitute 6, 5 in this equation. Again, you start from here. In place of x, you write 6. So what this will become? 12g. In place of y, you write 5. So this will become 10f. Here c is there, no? Plus c. Plus, now x square plus y square. That means 36 plus 25. 36 plus 25 is 61. Okay. Equal to 0. You observe when I substitute these 2 points in this equation, I got two equations in terms of GFC. Actual idea is what? I want to find G value, F value, C value. Here I got two equations, but here three variables are there. In the question, one more data is there. What is the data? Center of the required circle lies on this line. As we learned in earlier classes, what is center of this circle? Center of this circle is minus g comma minus f, right? You see here, this minus g comma minus f lies on this equation. As minus g comma minus f lies on this equation, we can substitute this point in this equation. It will satisfy. As center minus g comma minus f lies on this line equation, substitute in place of x, you write minus g, right? So minus 4g. In place of y, you write minus f. And this 16 is there, na? You take the 16 to left hand side part. So minus 16 equal to 0. What I am trying to say, I want to find g value, f value, c value. Three variables you need to find. Now we have three equations in terms of GFC. So by solving them, you can easily get the values of GFC. Now you take these equations like this. This is second equation, this is third equation, this is fourth equation. While solving these equations, you follow this pattern. What is the pattern? First, I'll solve these two equations. In these two, I'll cancel this C term. So what I'll get an equation in terms of G and F. Here, one more equation is there in terms of G and F. I'll solve those two. Then I'll get G value, F value. Those G value, F value, I'll substitute in any one of these two equations. Then I'll get C value. I hope you understand basic idea. Okay. So first what I'll do, I'll solve equation 2 and equation 3. I'll cancel C term. You solve equation 2 and equation 3. See, when I subtract, this CC will get cancelled, right? When we subtract, this plus sign changes to minus, plus sign changes to minus. Like this you will get 8G minus 12G, that is minus 4G. Okay. 2F minus 10F, that is minus 8F. Okay. Plus 17 minus 61 is minus 44 equal to 0. Now you take minus common, take that minus to the right hand side part. I can take 4 also common, but purposefully I am not taking 4 common. You name this as equation number 5. Now you see I got an equation in terms of G and F. You see I already have one more equation in terms of G and F. What I'll do, I'll solve this 4 and 5 to get the values of G and F. You observe these two equations. Here minus 4G plus 4G is there. So what I'll do, I'll add these two equations. When I add, these two will get cancelled. Now minus F plus 8F is plus 7F plus minus 16 plus 44 is plus 28. So I got like this. From this, what is 7F? 7F equal to minus 28. What is F from this? Minus 28 divided by 7, that is minus 4. Actually, you want to find G value, F value, C value. In that, F value you already got. Now, to find G value, you substitute this equation in any one of these two equations. See, this is equation number 4. In this equation, I'll substitute F value. What you will get, minus 4G minus F is minus 4. Minus of minus is plus 4, right? Plus 4 minus 16 equal to 0. From this, what you will get, minus 4G minus 12 equal to 0. 4G equal to minus 12. From this, you will get G as minus 3. You got second important value, F value. What you are trying to find? You are trying to find G value, F value, C value. You already got G value, F value. Now you need to find C value. For that, what I'll do, this G value, F value are there now. These two values I'll substitute in any one of these two equations to get C value. I'll substitute this G value, F value in this equation number 2. This is equation number 2. You substitute G value, F value in this. So what you will get, 8 into G value is minus 3 plus 2 into F value is minus 4 plus C plus 17 equal to 0. Okay. 8 3s are minus 24 minus 4 2s are 8 plus C plus 17 equal to 0. If I simplify this, minus 24 minus 8 is minus 32 plus 17. Minus 32 plus 17 is what is minus 15, right? So what you will get here, you will get C minus 15 equal to 0. From this, what is C? C is 15. So you want to find G value, F value, C value. You got all these three values. F value is minus 4, G value is minus 3, C value is 15. Substitute these values in the required circle equation. What is the required circle? You take an x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal 0 is the required circle. In this, you substitute G value, F value, C value. In this circle equation, you write G value, x square plus y square plus 2 into G. What is G? G is minus 3. 2F, F is what? F is minus 4. y plus c. C is 15 equal to 0. Now you simplify this, you will get required circle equation x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y plus 15 equal to 0. This is the required equation of a circle. This circle 100% passes through given 2 points. If you have any doubts whether we got correct answer or not, when you substitute these 2 points in this circle equation, it must and should satisfy, right? Otherwise we got the wrong answer only, right? So this is the way to find solution of this equation. I'll quickly explain what is the basic method we followed. You want to find a circle equation. I taken that circle equation as like this. From the given data, I got three equations in terms of GFC. Solve those three equations, you will get GFC values. Substitute those GFC values in this equation, you will get required equation of a circle. Question number 11 is similar to question number 10. As question number 11 is similar to question number 10, I want you to try this problem your own. See here, I already done the solution. I want you to pause this video or else take the question only and try your own. First, I take a required circle equation like this. As this circle passes through these 2 points, I substituted in that. I got two equations. As center lies on this, I got the third equation also, right? I solved these three equations. While solving, best method is first you solve these two and cancel the c term. Then you will get an equation in terms of g and f. And if I solve these two equations, I'll get g value, f value. You see here, f value, g value. Now this g value, f value, you substitute any one of these two equations, you will get c value. You see here c value. Once you got g value, f value, c value, substitute these values in this equation and simplify, you will get required equation of a circle. If you want this handwritten notes, you please go through our Android app. In that app, this course is available for very nominal price. There you can find this handwritten notes. Now question number 12. You observe this question number 12. Find the equation of a circle. You want to find equation of a circle whose radius is 5 units. Center of that circle lies on x-axis and that circle passes through 2, 3. To understand this question more clearly, I'll draw the diagram so that you can understand it very easily. This is just a rough diagram to understand what the given data. This circle radius is 5. So here this length is there, this length is 5 units and center lies on x-axis. See what diagram I drawn, it's just a rough diagram to understand the question. This is not exactly not same diagram. Just to understand the question, I am trying to explain the question with the help of a diagram. Center lies on x-axis and the circle passes through the point 2, 3. Okay, you know this equation x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. What do you know about this? This is equation of a circle whose center is h comma k and radius is r. We use this formula to find equation of a circle, right? To use this formula, what things you need? You need h value, you need k value. What is h comma k? H comma k is the center of the circle. What is r? R is radius of the circle. You observe one point here, as center lies on x-axis. I suppose this is h comma k. Center of the required circle is h comma k. As it is on x-axis, its y coordinate must be 0. That means this k value will become 0, right? So center of this circle, I can take it as h comma 0 because center lies on x-axis. On x-axis, y coordinate is 0. Generally, we will take h comma k is the center of the circle. As center lies on x-axis, we can take h comma k, h comma 0 is the center of the required circle. Now, as they given radius, this circle passes through 2, 3 they given. Na? I know that distance from center to any point on the circle is radius. As this is radius, here this radius is 5 units. So, I'll take distance between these 2 points as 5 and from that I can easily calculate h value. Once I got h value, I know what is center. I know what is radius, then I can easily calculate equation of the circle. I hope you are understanding idea in what way we are going to do this problem. First, you take h comma 0 is the center of the required circle. You want to find circle equation. For that circle, you take h comma 0 is the center. Why h comma 0? Because center lies on x-axis. When center lies on x-axis, its y coordinate is 0. Okay. And I'll name the center as C. And they given that circle passes through the point 2 comma 3. That point I taken as P. Clearly, what is this CP? CP is radius. In the question they given that required circle radius is 5 units. That means CP is what? CP is 5. Now square this on both sides. What you will get? CP square equal to 25. CP means a distance formula, root over. Here square is there, no CP square. This 2 will get cancelled, right? Here you use the distance formula CP, right? What you will get? You will get like this: h minus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 3 whole square equal to 25. Actually, this is CP. CP square is there, no? That's why I not written this root. If we simplify this, what you will get? H minus 2 whole square equal to 25. Here this is plus 9. Take it to this side. It will become minus 9. 25 minus 9. H minus 2 whole square equal to 16. From this, what is h minus 2? H minus 2, it can be plus or minus 4. First, I'll take plus 4. H minus 2 equal to 4. From this, what is h? H equal to 6. Actually, you want to find h, you got h value. As we got h minus 2 as plus or minus 4, I'll take h minus 2 as minus 4 also. Then h is what? Minus 4 plus 2, that is minus 2. So, here you got two h values. That means two circles are possible which passes through the point 2 comma 3 whose center lies on x-axis and whose radius is 5 units. Now I divide this problem into two cases. Case 1, center. What is actually center? Center is h comma 0. Here you got h as 6, the center is 6 comma 0. As you got h is 6, center is 6 comma 0. Radius obviously they given in the question. Radius is 5. When the center is 6 comma 0, radius is 5. When we know center and radius, we can find the circle equation. Equation of a circle is, what is the formula? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. This is h comma k, this is r. Substitute these values in this equation and simplify. X minus 6 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equal to r square. You simplify this, what you will get? X square plus y square minus 12x plus 36 minus 25 equal to 0. If I simplify this, x square plus y square minus 12x plus 11 equal to 0. This is circle equation whose center lies on x-axis and this passes through the point 2 comma. As we got h values, two values, we'll get one more case. As we got h value minus 2, another center is minus 2 comma 0, radius is 5. Now substitute these values in this equation. X minus h, minus of minus, plus 2, x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equal to r square. Expand this and simplify. What you will get? X square plus 4 plus 4x plus y square equal to 5 square is 25. Simplify this. X square plus y square plus 4x minus 21 equal to 0. So this is another circle equation whose center lies on x-axis, whose radius is 5 and the circle passes through the point 2 comma 3. I hope you understand this solution. You observe this question number 13. What they are asking? Find the equation of a circle passing through 0 comma 0, making intercepts a and b on coordinate axis. To explain this question, I'll draw the diagram. In the question, they mention that circle is passes through 0 comma 0. You see here, this circle is passing through 0 comma 0. Here, making intercepts a and b on the coordinate axis. What is x-intercept made by a circle? See, what is the definition of x-intercept? Suppose a circle is like this. This length is there. No? This length is the x-intercept made by a circle. This is called x-intercept. For this diagram, what is y-intercept means? There is no y-intercept. Suppose the circle is like this, then this length is there, na? That length is called y-intercept. Suppose the circle is like this, that means this circle touching the x-axis. In this case, we say that x-intercept is 0, right? If the diagram is like this, in this case, circle touching the y-axis, what is y-intercept of the circle? Y-intercept of this circle is 0. Right? In this question, what they are saying, this circle making intercept A, B on coordinate axis. That means you observe this is the length. This is the length intercept made by the circle on x-axis. This is x-intercept. This intercept is A. And this intercept is B. Right? I hope you are understanding. As the circle passes through origin, obviously, as we know, this length is A, as this point will be A comma 0. I name this point as A, and this point A is A comma 0. Why it is A comma 0? Because this length is A. And y-intercept they be given, this intercept is B. Na? So what is this point? This point is 0 comma B. I name this as B, and this point is 0 comma B. Here you need to observe few things. See here, this is right angle, right? So you observe this is right angle means obviously we know that angle in a semicircle is right angle. I hope you are understanding. As this is right angle, this acts as a diameter. This is semicircle. Angle in a semicircle is right angle, right? So here the point what you need to understand, this acts as a diameter. That means center lies on this diameter. Actually, what you want to find? You want to find equation of a circle. If you want to find equation of a circle, if you know center and radius, you can find circle equation very easily with the help of this formula. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. With this formula, you can find circle equation. As we know these 2 points and this is the diameter, so center is the midpoint of ends of diameter, right? So I'll calculate midpoint of AB to get center of this circle. The center is midpoint of AB. Midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2. That means 0 plus A. That is A plus 0 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. That means 0 plus B divided by 2. Okay. So what is center? Center is A by 2 comma B by 2. Now I want to find circle equation. For that circle center I already know this is A by 2 comma B by 2, right? As you know this is the diameter, radius is half of the length of diameter, right? So what I'll calculate AB, right? Here I'll write here, you see radius. What is radius? I want center and radius. Radius is half of the diameter. AB is length of diameter, right? AB divided by 2 is the radius. So what you will get here, calculate distance between the points A and B. That is root over, see, A minus 0 whole square. That is A square. It can be understood easily. Plus 0 minus b whole square. 0 minus b whole square is what? B square. Half into root over a square plus b square. Center, radius, we know now. Now, for the given data, we know center and radius. Once you know center and radius, you can find equation of a circle. Equation of a circle formula, when we know center and radius, is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. This is h comma k. In place of h, you write a by 2. In place of k, you write b by 2. In place of r, you write this and simplify. Okay. So x minus h. H is what? A by 2 whole square plus y minus k. K is what? B by 2 whole square equal to r. R is what? Half of root over a square plus b square. Now you simplify this. This is a minus b whole square. Na? You expand this. What you will get? X square plus a square divided by 4 minus 2ab. 2 into x into a by 2. Okay. Now you expand this. Again a minus b whole square formula. Y square plus b square divided by 4 minus 2ab. 2 into y into b by 2. And this side, when we square this 1 by 2 will become 1 by 4. And when we square this root 2 will get cancelled. You will get a square plus b square. If you observe here, when you multiply this with 1 by 4, right hand side part is a square by 4 plus b square by 4. You see here, this a square by 4, this a square by 4 plus b square by 4, b square by 4 will get cancelled, right? And this 2 also will get cancelled. What are remaining? That I'll write x square plus y square. Directly I am writing first x square term, next y square term, next x term. This 2 will get cancelled, minus ax. Next y term, 2 will get cancelled, minus by. You see here, these things will get cancelled. So if we take all to right hand side part, they will get cancelled and you will get 0. So required equation of a circle is x square plus y square minus ax minus by equal to 0. You observe this, you need to find a circle equation. For that, center already given, center is 2 comma 2 and circle passes through 4 comma 5. Here center of the circle is given and the circle passes through 4 comma 5. You need to find equation of a circle. See, when you know center and radius, you can find the circle equation x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. What is this? This is equation of a circle whose center is h comma k, radius is r. When we know center and radius, we can use this formula to find equation of a circle. Here center already given, but radius we don't know. But the point is, we can easily calculate radius from the given data. We know that distance from center to any point on the circle is radius. Here the circle passes through 4 comma 5 they given. Distance between these 2 points, if you calculate, you will get radius. Use distance formula, radius 4 minus 2 whole square plus 5 minus 2 whole square. 4 minus 2 is 2, 2 square is 4, 5 minus 2 is 3, 3 square is 9. So radius is root 13. So radius we got root 13. Center we already know. When you know center and radius, we can find equation of circle very easily. When you know center and radius, to find equation of a circle, we use this formula. Now in place of h comma k, you write 2 comma 2. In place of r, you write root 13. X minus h is 2. X minus 2 whole square plus y minus k is also 2. Y minus 2 whole square equal to r. R is root 13. Root 13 whole square. Expand this, what you will get, x square plus 4 minus 4x plus y square plus 4 minus 4y equal to root 13 whole square is 13. Now you simplify, x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y. You see here, 4 plus 4, 8. 8 minus 13 minus 5 equal to 0. This is a required equation of a circle. I hope you are understanding. Now we came to the last question of this exercise. Here, how to decide a point lies inside the circle or outside the circle or on the circle. See, this is the circle. This is center of that circle. You take one point anywhere. Suppose if I take point P here, I'll calculate this point P lies inside or outside, we need to decide, right? I'll calculate CP. CP means distance between center and given point. If CP is greater than radius, we can easily say that the point lies outside the circle. Suppose point P lies inside, I'll calculate CP. If CP is less than R, right? If point P lies inside, obviously CP is less than R. If CP is less than R, then we say point lies inside the circle. If CP equal to R, that means CP equal to R, that means point lies on the circle. You need to know these 3 points. To decide the given point lies inside or outside or on the circle, we will calculate CP and R. If CP is greater than R, the point lies outside the circle. If CP is less than R, point lies inside the circle. If CP equal to R, the point lies on the circle. Okay. They given one point. They are asking, does this point lies inside, outside or on the circle? First thing, given circle is x square plus y square equal to 25. What is center of this circle? This circle can be written into this form. I'll write this circle into this form so that we can easily decide what is its center. This x square can be written as x minus 0 whole square. Y square can be written as y minus 0 whole square. This 25 can be written as 5 square. Now this is in the form of x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. So what is center of this circle? Center of this circle is 0, comma 0. Center, I'll take it as C. Center of given circle equation is 0, comma 0. Now they given one point. I'll name it as P. To decide this point lies inside the circle or outside the circle or on the circle, I'll calculate CP, distance between these 2 points. And one more thing, what is the radius of this circle? Radius of this circle is 5. Calculate CP. Distance formula, x2 minus x1 whole square. When we square this, what you will get? 0 plus 2.5 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, 0 minus 3.5 whole square. 2.5 whole square is 6.25 plus, see, when we square this, this is 3.5 whole square, that is 12.25. When you add these two, what you will get? You will get 18.50. See, here radius is what? Radius is 5. CP you got like this. Now, CP is less than or greater than r, you need to decide. You know root 25 value is 5, right? Root 25 value is 5. What is root 24 value? Obviously less than 5. What is root 20 value? Less than 5. What is root 26 value? Root 26 value is greater than 5, right? So as root 25 is 5, we can easily say that this value is less than 5 or greater than 5? Less than 5. This value is less than 5. That means CP is less than radius. When CP is less than radius, what we say? Therefore, the point minus 2.5 comma 3.5 lies inside the circle. I hope you understand this class. If you like this video, please drop a like. Share this video with your friends. In case if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe now. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.